Hello students, welcome to Deepa Lakshmi Science Academy. So today's class we are going to discuss the numerical problems of 12th standard physics unit 4 electromagnetic induction and alternating current. So coming to the book back numerical problems question number 8. So the question is a bicycle wheel with a metal spokes of 1 meter long rotates in Earth's magnetic field. So we can write the given data. So the length is being given as length can be considered as radius 2, which is equal to 1 meter, and the plane of the wheel is perpendicular to the horizontal component of magnetic field, that is B value is also given. So it's magnetic field, and the plane of the wheel is perpendicular to the horizontal component of the magnetic field, which is 4 into 10 to the power of minus 5 Tesla. And the EMF induced across the spoke, so EMF induced is also 31.4 millivolt, which could be converted into volt. So wherever you have the word letter milli, there and all you will have to multiply with 10 power minus 3. So you will have 31.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 volt. And now you have to calculate the rate of revolution of the wheel. So you have to find the value of omega. As I already said, we don't have straight formula. There is a direct formula for rate of revolution, so that we can move to the formula of induced EMF E is equal to NBA omega into sine theta, where theta is to be 90 degree, and so we will have sine 90 degree is equal to 1. And if the number of turns n is also considered as 1, then the formula turns induced EMF is equal to BA omega. So from this, the rate of revolution omega is equal to induced EMF divided by BA. So again here A is considered to be the area of the circle, because in the question it is given as a bicycle wheel. So this is in the form of a circle. So again here the area could be considered as pi r square formula. So now substitute into the formula. So rate of revolution omega is equal to induced EMF 31.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by B is 4 into 10 to the power of minus 5 into pi value is 3.14 into r square is 1 into 1. So in the denominator and numerator, to remove the decimal, you will have to multiply by 100, because after the decimal, two values are there in the denominator. So you have to use 100, the same number you can use it in the numerator too. So 31.4 into 100 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 4 into 3.14 into 100 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So 10 power minus 3 and 10 power minus 5 get cancelled. You will have 10 power minus 2 as balance. So here in the numerator you will have 3140 divided by 4 into 314. This 10 power minus 2 can be taken to the numerator. It becomes 10 power plus 2. So here 314 1 times and 10 times. So 10 divided by 4 you will have 2.5. So 2.5 into 100. So you'll get the answer as 250 revolutions per second. So the answer is rate of revolution of the wheel is equal to 250 revolutions per second. So hope you all have understood this problem. So if you like my channel, kindly share it, support it, and also subscribe. Thank you.